you got?
Huh?
What you got?
What I got? What?
Well, what kind of car do you have?
1985 Miata. Fully stock.
Very nice.
But I just put the engine in the back.
Very nice.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
What kind of car do you got?
I think it's an RX-7, bro. I think so.
Yeah, that shit's gonna be scary. Remember, bro, don't try to catch up with them.
Yeah, I know.
They're gonna wait down there.
That's fine.
It's definitely not for this.
That's fine. You don't even go fast, bro. Just chill. All you gotta do is enjoy this.
Yeah.
Fuck them, bro. They're gonna wait down there. They gotta let their cars cool and shit.
Yeah.
Remember, this car's not for this.
It's behaving good though.
That happened on my MR2,
yeah.
Those corners.
I'm gonna pull off and let this guy through after. Yeah, I can't push it like that.
Yeah,
let me know when you see one.
Bro, don't feel the pressure from them.
No, I know. Just let me know when you see a pull off.
You're going fast, Kevin. I'm telling you right now, you're going really fast for this.
Damn, the track brakes on that, I hear. Oh. I can't find a pull off.
It's fine, bro. It's fine.
I know.
I think this died.
Probably. If you want, just pull your phone out.
Nah, I think it hit the camera to... You're good, bro. Just pull up. You don't know.
I know that's built for this.
Power steering?
Yeah. But I'm able to manhandle it enough. These tires are good out here though.
Yeah.
That feels nice.
think so?
I
I was wondering that.
Brakes, so we got to take it easy for a bit. Use momentum. Because it is too heavy for this shit.
Yeah.
And this is a different animal from, say, Charahala.
Temps are good.
Yeah. Is that a pull-off?
For what? There's a car?
I can't pull in there.
It's fine, bro. Who cares?
Yeah, that's
find the next
fucking exit.
What is that?
The Civic.
Don't let that little faggot.
No, I'm letting him through.
No, I know.
I don't eat corners.
I was saying, don't let that little faggot put that. Oh my god.
Trying to use brakes less, that's all. Yeah, I should have geared down for that. It was like a sharp radius at the end.
This is where Hobby almost crashed today.
Really?
Yeah, he almost
crashed?
He almost hit a GTI.
Oh my god, how?
Like that, taking that turn. I think, and it was going downhill. This is super dangerous coming back. Because you're going downhill really fast.
Yeah, we'll be careful with it.
And he almost like understeered into it.
Shit.
There's probably a car there or something blocking.
Yeah, there is. Whatever, it's an opportunity to fool it. I'm really manhandling this shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he was cutting it close. Just put it in third, let it chill out. That's the thing too, my gears are really long for this. I got that Shelby gearing.
Yeah.
God, and the sun ain't helping. I should have cleaned the windshield.
That motherfucker does not. They probably.
No, they got it.
Why'd you
That
wave
was an ISF, I think.
I don't think so.
Look at that fucking thing.
Said what?
Might have been somebody else. He took that too fast. I'm not doing that.
Nah.
That little egg can do it way better than this thing.
Bro, that's like Javi's car. Those things have
Yeah.
double wishbones, I think, and shit.
Yeah, they do.
cop going down. I think that's what they were probably saying in the walkie, but I don't see how the cop, unless the cop pulled over to let them do.
Maybe.
But then why do we don't
why are
see
they
them?
here? Yeah.
Like what? Did they fucking like take off? Like, you know?
God knows. But I don't think anybody would run out here, bro.
Exactly. So where are they? That means either that cop was pulled over to the side and it's going for someone.
I think so.
Yeah, but that'd be one of them. Oh my god. You get me? It was either pulled over and then they stopped and then they went, and then that cop is now going for one of them. Because why else would the cop be here and not in front? Or
undercover coming the other way and they missed it. That's possible.
Yeah, whatever. Because if the cop was in front of them and it was driving, they would have stayed behind the cop unless the cop pulled over to let them do, which I doubt.
Yeah. Unless he did it literally to bait them.
Exactly. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense right now to me. It's not going for someone. I think we're at the end.
Yeah, there's only like 1 mile.
That
was a fan.
How's the fan?
Yeah, the other fan. Not the one that we left on.